Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the essentials ready. Charge the phone to at least 50% and connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network. Once done, make sure you back up your important data to cloud or PC so nothing is lost during the update. Now open Settings, go to About Phone and tap System Update. The device will check for official OTA packages. If an update appears, tap Download. You're starting the process to obtain the correct firmware safely. You verify the update size and confirm you have enough free storage. Clear cache or uninstall apps if necessary. Then download the OTA package while keeping Wi-Fi and battery stable. Interrupted downloads cause failures. After download completes, choose Install Now or Schedule for a later time. The installer will request permission and then reboot the phone. During reboot, the upgrade process runs. Do not power off or remove the battery. Once it finishes, you finish by checking Settings About Phone to confirm the new Android version and that apps run normally. Clear app caches if performance lags. If the phone won't boot or is stuck in a loop, reboot into safe mode or use recovery to wipe cache partition first, which often resolves conflicts. If that fails, reflash the official firmware using Vivo's recovery or SB flash tool and restore your backup. Remember, only use signed, device-specific packages to avoid bricking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.